Hi guys, Craig here from Out There Touring. So just at home, not sure if I'm going to do a quick overnight trip tonight or not. Just depends on how quick I get this job done, but decided to do another modification. You would have seen, especially in probably the last few cook-ups, I'm forever around in the plastic tub here trying to get cooking stuff out, trying to find stuff. And I have so much wasted space here and trying to organise this tub. It just doesn't work. I have thought about getting a drawer custom made. However, the cost of that was far too expensive. At BCF the other day, I found the drawer that actually fits there perfectly. So same as the fridge, I'll have to build a base plate to come up over this lip. So I'll go out now, build that base frame, and then it'll be the install of the drawer. So it's just a matter of marking your angles for 90 degrees. I'll cut that down for an angle grinder and then put it all together. So I've just got back from Dutch engineering, decided I'd take it over and get it welded up. So now this frame is as strong as you could ever need or wish for. The guys at Dutch have done an awesome job again. Okay, so this is the drawer I've decided to go with. It's the XTM, just a single drawer, and it's from BCF. So what I'll probably do now is I'll probably just unbox the drawer, and then I've got to put some flooring down, carpet the flooring, and then work out exactly where this is going to fit in the canopy. It will be a tight squeeze, but all going well, it'll come up a treat. Right guys, I haven't showed you much of assembling the frame. What I've done but to suit my situation, and it was something I didn't think of until I just put the frame in the canopy, was the latch. If I'd put the drawer where I wanted to, which is right up the front or right up against the side of the canopy, I wouldn't have been able to close the latch. So I've had to leave a 45mm overhang here and cut out the latch there. So just be aware of that, which just means now the drawer's going to sit back and it'll start here rather than at the front of or right on the edge of the canopy like I originally planned. Righto guys, so it's going to be tight. But this is where I'm going to install it, with this distance here at the front, and the latch can still close. So I've just come back from Bunnings, brought a few things just to secure and fix the drawer to the floor I've just made. And I use these screw-in insert nuts. Now these ones are 6x13mm. Probably won't be able to see it on the camera. They're a small insert with a hexagon head. So you just drill your hole to where you want, and then Allen key or drill bit, screw these in, and then you put your screw into or whatever you're using into that, and that will secure it for you. So what I'm going to do in this process, because I still have such a tight fit here with the hinge point and where the drawer's going to come out, and I've got a little bit of play to work with. I'm just going to get as much out of it as I can just by using a plank of wood and just putting enough pressure to bring it across a couple of mil. So I'll get all my measurements first, make sure I've got it square and where I want it, and then a couple of drill holes. And what I'll do when I'm drilling, we'll use this one. So when I drill my holes, I'll drill towards the front of the canopy so that it will hold the drawer in the position and it won't allow the cabinet to slide towards the back, and therefore the drawer, when it opens, catching on the hinge point. So I'm just going to measure that I've got the cabinet square. That's perfect. Take that across a fraction. Once you've got your guide hole done, you can step your drill size up to the actual size required. Just drill it out and then put your insert in. You just want your insert just to get into the board, and then put your bolt, your securing bolt or screw in the place to bring it down and hold it in position. I'll just do another one just for example. It's just on the carpet line and below the rail that I'm going to secure to. And there we go. This cupboard, this drawer will not move. The pantry still works. Time to test out and see how the install went. There is seriously about 1.5 mil, maybe 2 mil gap there. Just a few little things to finish off. There's a couple of tie down points. Just put them in, loosen them off a bit, put them in the track. Put them in the track and then tighten up. And then tighten. I'll do the back ones as well. There's also a safety feature. The drawer can't come all the way up. There's stoppers. Those two brass fittings in the back. All you have to do is pull on them. It'll get a bit loose, pull on the other one. And then the drawer's past the stopper and you can actually pull it out. So the reason I ended up putting a drawer in was, as you can tell by my videos, I'm doing a lot more cook-ups and stuff's just going everywhere here. But obviously you want to minimise as much as you can, but your space also has to be useful. And the way it was, just with the plastic tub there, stuff was bouncing around everywhere. It just wasn't useful. So I'm going to pack this now. I have left this gap here so I can still sit, or I'm hoping I can still sit stuff up there. So I'll give that a go first. The solar blanket and the bench. That's perfect. It's done. But I've managed to fit everything I do use in. The pans, Dutch oven, cutlery, some storage containers, and I've still got a few more. There's still plenty of room in here. So that's an awesome result. I'm happy with that. Happy with the install. Again, everything takes a bit longer than what you think it will. I didn't expect this to take probably 6 hours in total. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Hope this one helps you in case you've got some plans or ideas that you might like to take on board. Be prepared to change some of your idea as well. And yeah, go from there. Anyway guys, thanks again, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, hit that little bell, get a reminder that I've got a new video out.